Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about mass and weight, apparent weight, weightlessness, application of Newton's law of gravitation. Mass is a quantity of a matter contained in the body. Weight, the gravitational force exerted on a body due to the gravity. Weight is equal to m into a, mass into acceleration. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 1.625 ms power minus 2. Difference between mass and weight is given. Mass fundamental quantity, its unit is kilogram. Weight, it's a derived quantity, its unit is Newton. It varies from place to place. Apparent weight, it is the weight of the body acquired due to the action of gravity and other external forces acting on the body. It is denoted by R. W is equal to mg. Let us see some possibilities. Lift is moving upward with an acceleration. Apparent weight is greater than the actual weight. Lift is moving downward with an acceleration. Apparent weight is lesser than the actual weight. Lift is at rest. Apparent weight is equal to the actual weight. Lift is falling down freely. Apparent weight is equal to 0. Let us watch it.
In an object with an acceleration a falling down under gravity, the apparent weight equal to mg minus ma. If the object accelerated with acceleration of g, then also the apparent weight will become 0. So, if an object or person accelerate downward with its acceleration equal to 9.8 meter per second square under gravity, then also the object feel weightlessness.
Weightlessness. In a roller coaster, you lose your weight when you move down. You gain your weight when you move up. Here also, A is equal to G. The motion is a free fall. Then the apparent weight of the person is 0.
Is it possible to create weightlessness on here? While you are falling freely in roller coaster, you can feel weightlessness. Every object and every celestial body such as planets, moon or asteroids exhibit their own force of attraction called gravity. Under gravity, every object has weight. The weight of the object is mg. If an object or a person falls freely with zero acceleration due to gravity, then weight of the object will become 0. A state in which we cannot feel the effect of gravity is called weightlessness. It is in pure free fall because no other directly acting force affecting the falling objects.
Weightlessness in the case of astronauts. They are not floating but falling freely around the earth due to their huge orbital velocity. Here also apparent weight is 0.
You may see the images of astronauts floating in a cabin of space station. How they are floating? Some of us believe that the astronauts in spacecraft do not experience any gravitational force of Earth, but this is absolutely wrong. Every object with a mass experiences a gravity. Both astronauts and spacecraft experience same gravitational force of Earth, but their apparent weight becomes 0, and so they feel weightlessness in space. Nowadays, an aircraft with the name Zero Gravity provides weightlessness environment for training astronauts. This specially designed aircraft travels in the path of a parabola. This aircraft is used to train astronauts in weightlessness. It gives 25 seconds of weightlessness out of 65 seconds of flight in each parabola. The cost of one seat on a weightlessness flight to cover 15 parabolic curve is around 5 lakhs. You can feel 6.25 minutes weightlessness in this trip.
Finally, applications of Newton's law of gravitation. We can calculate the mass and radius of the earth. It helps to discover new stars and planets. It helps to explain the property of geotrophism, etc. etc. So, listen to the video clip, study well, prepare for the test. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.